In this video, I will simplify the given function using MEV technique. For the given function, determine minimal sum using MEV technique. Use D as MEV variable. F of A, B, C, D is given by the minterms defined are 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13 and 15. So here, as we know, in function there are 4 variables, the possible binary values varying from 0 to 15. So these are the minterms. First write this table. Let A, B, C, D are the input variables. I will represent all the decimal minterms which are in decimal into binary. Possible values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, this is 14, and finally we have 15. Given function, it is said that D is the MEV variable. Therefore, I have written here D as MEV variable. Now let me write the function. The entry in the function is nothing but we supposed to write for these minterms values. The entry in the function supposed to be 1. That is for 3, 4, 5, 7. 3, 4, 5, 7. Then we have 8, 11, 12. 8, 11, 12. Then we have 13, 15, 13 and 15. So for these entries, for these minterms, the entry in function is 1. Rest cases it will be 0. Let me write zeros. Now we supposed to follow the MEV rules to write the entry in MEV map column. The rules are, these are the rules. The rule number 1 says, so here value of MEV, so here value of MEV is nothing but D, and we supposed to compare this column with F. So if F value is 0, 0 and value of MEV is 0, 1. So now we'll compare this combination in this rule. So it belongs to the rule 1, that is F is 0, 0 and value of MEV is 0, 1. Here also we have 0, 1. In that case, the entry in MEV map supposed to be 0. Now let me write 0 in MEV map, that is here it is 0. I can say it follows rule 1. Now here we can see F entry is 0, 1. D value is also 0, 1. That is this combination is same as this one. In that case, here we can see rule number 2. Here MEV entry and F values are same. In that case, we are supposed to write V. V for variable. So in this case, the variable is D. So here we are supposed to write D. So now here F entries are 1, 1. But MEV entries are 0, 1. We'll compare with this table. So here we can see 1, 1 and it is 0, 1. That is rule number 4. In that case, we are supposed to write 1. So this is 1. It follows rule number 4. So this D follows rule number 2. So 0, 1. Here also 0, 1. That is nothing but rule number 2. That is variable. This is rule number 2. Here we can see 1, 0. F value is 1, 0. But MEV value is 0, 1. That is MEV value and F value are complement of each other. In that case, it follows rule number 3. That is 0, 1. Here it is 1, 0. That is V bar. Here variable is D. So it is D bar. I can say this is rule number 3. Similarly, here we have 0, 1, 0, 1. That is D. That is rule number 2. Here 1, 1, 0, 1. In that case, it is 1. That is rule number 4. Here it is 0, 1. Here also 0, 1. We are supposed to write D. That is rule number 2. So here if we consider D as MEV variable, in that case we have only 3 variables. So with 3 variables we'll get 0 to 7 minterms. That is, here I can write this is with respect to 0 because 0 0 0 0 0 0 in both the rows it is 0, so it is 0. Here it is 1, that is 0 0 1 0 0 1. Here it is 2 3 4 5 6, and here it is 1 1 1. Here also 1 1 1, that is 7. Though in given function there are 4 variables, but in MEV K-map we supposed to use only 3 variable K-map. In that we supposed to enter these all variables. So consider this as a 3 variable MEV map. Let this be A, this is BC variable. So here we can see for min term 0, the MEV map entry is 0, that we supposed to enter here, that is 0, it is 0. For 1, MEV map entry is D, that is for 1 it is D. Similarly for 2 it is 1, for 3 it is D, for 4 it is D bar, for 5 it is D. So now for 6 the value is 1, it is 1, and for 7 it is D. So this is 3 variable K-map. It is also known as MEV K-map. In MEV K-map, first we are supposed to do the grouping of ones if it is available. So here we can do the grouping of these two ones. The value of this will be, this is B C bar, B C bar. Next is we can do the grouping of similar variables. Here D and D bar, there are 2 variables. Here D, 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 D can form one group. I can do the grouping of this D, 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 D. The value of this will be, here the common factor is C, and we supposed to do the ANDing with this variable, that is D. So that is C into D, or C dot D. Now there is one more variable D bar. This D bar can be grouped with ones or don't cares. So here D bar is can be grouped with this and this together form a pair. The value of this will be, the common between these two column is C bar, and here it is A, and this one is D bar. So therefore I can write function f is equal to, we have B C bar plus C D plus A C bar D bar. So this is minimal SOP expression. Thank you for watching.